What are the correct specifications for preparing graphic design files for print? Imagine sending your artwork off to be printed and wanting it to look just as perfect on paper as it does on your screen. Knowing the right specifications makes all the difference. When preparing files for print using Adobe software like Illustrator or InDesign, there are some key steps to follow to get professional results. First, set your document size to match the final trim size of your printed piece. For example, if you're designing a flyer that measures 8.5 inches by 11 inches, make sure your document is exactly that size. Next, include a bleed area of at least 1/8 of an inch, which is 0.01 to 5 inches on all sides. Bleed allows your artwork to extend beyond the cut line, ensuring no white borders show after trimming. Always use the CMYK color mode, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. This color mode is standard for printing, unlike RGB, which is used for screens. It helps your colors print accurately. Set your raster effects resolution to 300 pixels per inch. This ensures that any effects or images look sharp and clear in the final print. When it comes to images, make sure all images are at least 300 dpi at the size they will be printed. Lower resolution images will appear blurry or pixelated once printed. Embedding images directly into your file is best, as it prevents missing images during the printing process. For text, convert all fonts to outlines before saving. This turns your text into vector shapes, so there are no font substitution issues. In Illustrator, you can do this by selecting the text and choosing Type and then Create Outlines. When saving your file, choose a PDF format that is print-ready, like PDF X1A. This format preserves your colors, fonts, and layout. Be sure to include crop marks and a bleed setting of 1/8 of an inch to guide the printer where to trim. Remove any guides or non-printing layers before finalizing your file. For packaging, collect all linked images, fonts, and files into one folder. This makes it easier for the printer to access everything needed for your project. When exporting, use press-optimized file types like TIFF or high-resolution JPEG for images, and always check your image resolution with the Document Info panel in Adobe software. Regularly review your links to confirm images are at 300 dpi. Following these specifications helps your printed pieces come out looking sharp, accurate, and professional. It also reduces the chance of errors or delays in production, making your workflow smoother and more efficient.